How to fix Snapchat device ban. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your device is banned from using Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Google Chrome or any web browser. And here you are just going to go ahead and search for Snapchat support. And once you do that, you can just open up the first link, that's help.snapchat.com. And here you will see multiple options. You can directly tap on this contact us button, or what you can do is tap on my account is compromised right here on top. Then you just have to enter all of your details like your username, your email, your mobile number, and on the description section that you're going to say that you haven't done anything wrong that could cause the ban. So you just have to politely ask the Snapchat's help and support team to guide you through the process of unbanning your device, and you should be able to use Snapchat again. Now just tap on submit report and they'll contact you on the email that you have provided here, and you just follow the instruction and your account will eventually be unbanned. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.